Hey guys, uh, it's John, also known as Magnum here, Somerset, Kentucky. Uh, I know it's boring. I'm going to do another unboxing. Yes, I've done several unboxings before. Since I've done a review. Some of you asked me when the next review is due. I will say very shortly. I have some days off to Thanksgiving and use the last of my vacation days. So I've got about 5 days off next week. And about Christmas, should have a week and a half. And I'll see if I can catch up. And catch up also means, okay, build up for Thanksgiving, working extra hours. Um, I, I am behind on watching fellow reviewers, and I'm going to start catching up this weekend. I promise. I'm sorry, 12-hour days. I'm on first now, but still, 12-hour days is 12-hour days. So bear with me. I'll catch up on watching reviews and doing reviews. Um, my wife had surgery. Minimal, nothing invasive. Uh, while I was off, lucky me, life has ups and downs. I took off for her. Um, my Jeep got totaled in my driveway. Yes, somebody come up the road, took out my Jeep, and shoved it into my house. Well, into touching my house, not into my house. Now, I hate to lose the Jeep, but had my Jeep not been sitting there, his uh, vehicle would have been parked in my living room. So, vehicles can be replaced, house can be replaced, but if one of us was in here, I hate to think what that would have done. Life is ups and downs. Okay, last unpacking I done, Steve from Traversing Food sent me oh, that was funny. I'm not going to say a joke. Uh, I knew I never could afford a German EMP, Ironman packing, one man pack. So I bought a civilian version from Artenina at foreignmre.com. And their package come in, and Steve sent me a gift. And of course, I opened two back to back, and uh, I opened the civilian version I bought and made the comment I never would afford a original military German 24-hour ration. Guess what Steve sent me? He sent me I hit the camera, uh, genuine German 24-hour ration. And I was at a loss for words. I've got a few things on my bucket list when it comes to rations. That was one of them. I've got more. And, that's part of this community. If we can help each other out, be it translations, be it whatever, um, if we can help each other out, we got an extra meal. Somebody wants one, ain't tried it, we'll send it to them. It ain't no big deal. That's when I started out, I had plenty of time and no rations. Now I have rations and no time. So I am subscribed to now. I said on the last one 150 plus. I am subscribed to 180 plus reviewers on this weird community of ours. Why we like this, I don't know. Can I explain? No. Do we like it? Yes. And another gentleman north of the border, up above Canada. I won't go into town and details, but, well, I received another gift. This one I did not buy. He sent by his kindness, and he is a B Temple. Now, he, like myself, likes MREs. He also likes firearms, and we have other interests in common. Now, everybody here, well, I won't say everybody, most in this community, one hobby leads to another. Could it be guns? Yes. Could it be military? Yes. Could it be to MREs? Yes. Could it be to the next one? But all of us here are interconnected and get along pretty good. Anybody will help anybody. Now, I know I'm long-winded, but I want to thank the community, the subscribers, viewers, friends in the community, and right now I wish to thank B Temple. And the last time I got a surprise package from Steve, it was the German 24-hour ration, and it was one of my bucket list items. I just about broke down on camera. I usually keep my emotions solid, hide everything going on from everybody else, and that just tore me up. Now, I have no earthly idea what this is. But if my emotions do come through, just bear with me. Now I'll hit the pause for a minute, and I will recoup. Any of you, you want to send me a letter, postcard, oh Lord, some of them got coasters with their names on them. Just want to say hi. Send me anything. I don't care. I believe my email is in the links below. If not, well, email and personal address. We will send me a letter. Say hi, thank you, like what you do. Everything is saved, I promise. Now, that's enough of the BS. Brought the Italian Stallion out tonight. Ain't been used in a while. Let's open this package and see what B Temple. Let's see, I'm trying to do this. I'll be honest, I feel like I was a kid at Christmas under the Christmas tree. I want to just rip the open, but since I do not know what's in here, I'm going to go delicately as I can. Oh, little Italian Stallion here. Side note, I am 55 years old. I bought this when I was 18 years old. I still have it. Got a little bit pitting and rusting, but let's say it serves its purpose very well. One of my favorite knives, bought by myself. I have had gifted knives. I have bought knives, razors, etc. Oh boy. Brother B, that's taped up good. No, the customs did not get hold of it. Good Lord. At least to my telling, it has not. If that packaging looks tampered, you tell me, and we will find out. As far as I'm concerned, excuse me, let me take the note off the camera. I'm not sure what it says. Okay. B, if for any reason I put it on here and you did not want me to, I'm sorry. I see no personal information from you. Basically, the note says, "Hey, John, hope this early Christmas gift finds you well. I am. Thanks for being a great friend of my channel and me." And which I am. I try to comment as much as I can on anybody's. Give credit when credit is due. Sometimes I'm behind like I am now. I've been so busy between hours and other issues in life. I've got to catch up on reviews, and I've got to start doing reviews. And, oh, I will. Trust me. Got a few vacation days planned ahead. Hope you and yours are doing great. I know you're always wanted one of these, and I don't know if you ever had the other. Also, a little surprise for you. Um, I'll say B. Temple, and I left it on. I guess y'all know his name by now, especially if you talk to us like we do. But I'm sorry, B. I didn't realize that was on there. I kindly got a little excited. Okay, bullshit over. Let's see what we. I think I know what that is. Could you give me just a minute, please? uh, um, uh, had to regroup a minute. There's more than one item in here. I saw letters on uh, uh, one item before I even went to the rest, and that's why I had to stop for a minute. We all have bucket lists of things we want to do in our life, and some of us in this community for meals have a bucket list on things we would like. Steve from Traversing Food sent me one excuse me, just a minute, please. Okay, Steve from Traversing. Oh, I'm rarely at a loss for word, long-winded. Steve sent me a German Einmannpacken, one-man pack, military ration. There was one or two on my other list. And B. Temple, I told you not to go overboard, and if you did, I would both hug you and cuss you at the same time. I don't know what the other two are. When the way I opened this up, this package was up front. Now, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is, oh, give me a minute. Oh my, would you I, 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 I can't get the camera to focus. I know. And yeah, it's a brown bag. However, for I don't know if that the way my lights are going, if that focuses, I see CR1M. Geez, so friggin' Pete. One of the other bucket list items for rations I wanted was an Australian. uh, well, I got German, and thank you to B Temple. Brother, me and you going to have a long talk. Sort of like the Beverly Hillbillies. I've got to have a long talk with that boy. That is overboard. I said not overboard. I I set it aside. Okay, let's. I have other gifts in here too. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Brent. B. Oh, I, I, the first two items you done just turned a 10-minute review into. Well, we shall see how long he knows my love and affinity for knives and rations. Oh, that's all still. Oh boy, that's tapping the sheath. Oh, but look, look. I can't. I cannot get the Damascus pattern, and I don't know to focus down, low, mid, or close up. This camera, and I got glare too. Jeez, though. Uh, I will say that does qualify as definitely sharp. You know, I got hair everywhere else on my body except my head. I will have to ask him where it. Uh, Holy. Uh, I'm looking at the. Okay, regroup again. Layers in the spine. That is. Brother, I'm gonna kill you. I love you, but I'm gonna kill you. That's. Rivets. The handle. Who made this? No stamps, no etchings. That is. I wish you could feel the weight of this. Good God. Holy. Mm. Brother, I want to know who made it. I know what it's made of and how it's made. I mean, I can. I am. Okay, 1 second for you. Uh, again, speechless. I see at least one more. Okay, let's go on to what I've got in here. And I'll come back and overcome all. I'll have to look. B is that Lithuanian? Looks like some of my Lithuanians. If it's not, please correct me so I can. So Pete. Putting on pause again. Mm. Okay, I compared that to my Lithuanian. I believe it is. For anybody who has not tried MRE's American or the other foreign, what we call MREs, it could be Canadian IMPs, could be French RMICs, British has another word. Anyway, meals ready to eat. If you've never tried foreign, the Lithuanian is reasonably inexpensive to try, and I've had 5 versions. I'm not sure if I've had the one that he's got. I'll look it up, but I have never had a bad entree, a bad tea, a bad coffee. Lithuanian foreign meals are inexpensive relatively compared to the others, and they always have good food. And again, I thank you, B. I don't honestly know whether to love you or hate you. You have filled one bucket list item. I got me an Aussie. And okay, I'm going to put it in the box. It's not going to be pretty for the presentation. I have the Lithuanian. Which I left in the kitchen. And I'll put it there. And you know, I'm 55 years old. I rarely get upset or tore up. Brent, B, I swear, I don't know if I need to admire you or hate you. I have no idea when I can repay a gesture like this. And okay, back to this community. Sorry, B. You know, everybody gets together. Somebody needs help. They need translations. If they're out of rations, somebody wants one. Yell at me. Yell at somebody else. If it's close, we can afford the shipping. If something we got, it's yours. That's how this community works. We also have great providers like Art and Nina, foreignmre.com, and we trade amongst ourselves, and we gift. This is a gift as well. That is one hell of a gift. Excuse my language. Usually I contain myself, and like I said, Steve, Traversing Food, he gifted me an awesome German ration. But, I mean, you know, any correspondence, you want to drop a letter, postcard, tell me, hi, John, you know. And I thank the new subscribers, the old subscribers. I thank everybody in this MRE community. This is a weird hobby we have. Agreed. Is it enjoyable? Yes. Am I a professional? No. Do I have fun with it? Yes. And I will continue to do so as long as I can afford to buy, and as long as gifts. My gosh. The last two care packages I have not deserved, but I thank everybody so gratefully for the support, the friendship. And I said this was going to be a short review. Dang you, B. You turned a 10-minute review into a 30-minute one. I guarantee you. I ain't even looked at the screen yet. Brother, I owe you one. I owe you two. I owe you about 4 more on this one. So this tore me up. That is something I never could have. That is out of my league. But I thank you so much. I wish. Oh, the shovel. I'm reading what's in there. Oh, it's like the German rations. I don't want to rip it open like a kid on Christmas. Can't do it. Nope, nope. Each one is going to have their just review. And again, anybody in the MRA community, friends, subscribers, lookers, this is a good bunch of people we have. I have no other way to say that. If anybody can help you, they will. If I have any way to help you, I will. That's what makes it great here. And before I get any more tore up, you know, it's pretty close to bedtime on my end, so I'm going to say peace, John. Some of them call me Magnum, and I say peace. From Somerset, Kentucky, USA, redneck capital of the world. I am not a professional. I have fun doing this. I have fun reviewing these. I have fun teaching other people about doing MREs and foreign rations. If I can get one person just to look at it, which I have. I changed jobs about a year ago, and I've got several people interested in this, and that's all I want to do. It's not too much to ask, but and somebody said, well, what's that? I said, well, try one. I keep telling them to come over here. I've got several packages here. Again, overdue. Life's been busy. We all have that. And I'm behind on watching reviews and doing reviews. I will have time off during Thanksgiving. I will have time off during Christmas. I'll tell you what, we'll just see how many I can post during that time. So, again, thank you all. just a letter, a comment, a thumbs up. That means the world to me. It ain't much to you, but if somebody thinks I'm doing right, man, it helps out with all the other BS in life. So, y'all take care now. Hope y'all have a good weekend, a good Christmas, Thanksgiving. Not necessarily in that order, but I'm a little tore up right now, so y'all be safe. Okay? I'll talk later. Peace, John.